Hi everyone. When you try to launch or start your favorite game like Fortnite on your Windows 11 gaming computer, you may get the error message A D3D11-compatible GPU, feature level 11.0, shader model 5.0, is required to run the engine. This video is intended to help affected PC gamers with the most applicable solutions. Method 1. Update Windows. Since it's likely a bug may be triggering the error message, A D3D11 compatible GPU is required to run the engine on your Windows 11 gaming PC. We suggest as your first line of action for troubleshooting the issue is to make sure you have installed any latest patches or updates for the game you're getting the error on. Also, if you haven't updated your PC in a while, now is the time to check for updates and make sure you install any available bits on your gaming device and see if the error reappears when you attempt to start the game. Method 2. Update graphics card driver. Your GPU drivers might be out of date, which could be causing your PC to display the error message in view. You can manually update graphics driver via Device Manager. Method 3. Install the DirectX end-user runtime. The error message and highlight references DirectX11, which is the interface that Windows uses to render 3D graphics. So as this error occurs, it means that your GPU is currently incompatible with D3DX11, which is sourced from DirectX 11, a more recent version of DirectX. In this case, to resolve the issue, you can download and install the DirectX latest version. Link download in the description. Thanks for watching this video.